Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can turn off a professional mode in Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So to begin with, you need to open your Instagram application. Once you open the application, make sure that you're signed in, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. From there, you need to tap on the three lines at the top. And here you will find creator tools and controls. You need to tap on that one. From here, you need to scroll down where you will find switch account type. So you need to tap on switch account type. And from here, you have two options, switch to business account or switch to personal account. So I need to switch to personal account. So I will tap on that. And then this message will appear. They say that you want to switch because you will have no access to in-app insights and insights from all your content. So if you still want to switch, just tap on switch to personal account. And here, as you can see, it is loading. And after some time, you will be switched to the normal account again. So as you can see, I will go back. And here, as you can see, there is no dashboard anymore. So I'm switched to my personal account again. So guys, this is all it takes to turn off a professional mode on Instagram. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.